Hello guys, welcome to the channel Legit Online Earning. I just scrolling on this page TLM token. This today's video is another TLM Alien Worlds video, and they are giving away free TLM tokens, 1000 to 2000 TLM tokens. And this tweet was posted 4 hours ago, Alien Worlds. So this is a giveaway. You just have to go to their page and click onto this website, this tweet, and it's gonna take you to this gleam.io, and they have 6 hours left, and the entries taken are 6,855 entries have been taken, and my entries are still 0 because I haven't done. I am doing it in front of you guys, and you just have to enter your entries. You have to follow them on Twitter. You just have to click it. It's gonna ask you to go to the follow. You just have to follow and click on it, and then they're gonna ask you, let me go back to this, they're gonna ask you your name, and that's the way you're gonna continue. I will continue, and for the sake of video I will do later, but I was just looking for you people to let you know, guys. Now you also have an option to go to the follow them on the Instagram. The way is, when you are going to follow them on the Twitter, they're gonna enter your 5 entries. Okay, your 5 entries are going to be on their system. Next up, if you follow them on the Instagram, you see, oh oops, an error occurred. You have to follow them on Instagram as well. Let me check the Instagram as well, but my Instagram is not okay, my Instagram is logged out, that's why it's showing this. And the next thing is, you have to join them on the Discord server. If you join them on the Discord with your name, you're gonna get 10 entries as well, so total of 20 entries without doing anything. Now this one's is, you have to play their game, and that game is also on the Alien Worlds game. Let me show you Alien Worlds. You need to go to TLM. You have to go to their website. I just played game a few days ago before the listing, and you have to do a retweet. So the total you see, total entries are going to be 5, 10, 20, 30 and 40 entries would be listed. So you only have 6 hours left, so I thought I would give you the update for the Alien Worlds TLM token, TLM coin. Forget about the dump. Now they are giving away back to the community, so this is your chance to get some free money, free TLMs right now. So for right now the price on the TLM is going somewhere around 18 TLM. Oh, sorry, yeah, 0.6. So if you have, let's say, 1000, you're getting 564 TLMs. So $564. You see, if you get 1000 TLMs, so they are giving away 1000 TLMs. There is a 10,000 in each promo pack, so be sure to get in. So that's an update video for the TLM Alien Worlds token. So hurry up and follow them on the social media. Take care.